Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After topping out at $104,965, Bitcoin stalled. The market entered a phase of indecision, and bearish divergences began to show up on the wave trend indicator, while money flows started to decline on the 1-hour chart. That combination of signals made me cautious. A retest of the last yellow horizontal at 103.4K seemed likely, and the liquidation heat map supports that view, showing clear hot zones that point to downside risk. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, the hottest liquidity cluster sits around 102.2K. That supports the idea that we could revisit or even dip below the 103.4K level, triggering another round of dip buying. But there is another layer. Zooming into the 1-day liquidation heat map, bears are stacking high leverage shorts right around 105.5K. That's a tempting target for the market makers to run if bullish news hits the wires, and that news just dropped. Reports now confirm that the tariff issue between the United States and China is resolved. The result could have significant implications for Bitcoin, which was heavily affected during the height of the dispute. To give some context, the harshest impact of the tariff drama was a drop from the peak of 109K on January 20th down to 77K by April 9th. That move was widely attributed to uncertainty surrounding the trade situation. Now that this pressure has been lifted, there are 3 possible price scenarios for Bitcoin in the coming days and weeks. First, the conservative estimate, a 15 to 25% move back up, taking us to roughly 115 to 125,000. Second, the moderate case. If investor confidence returns with momentum, we might see a 25 to 35% increase. That would take Bitcoin to somewhere between 125 and 135K. And finally, the most optimistic projection. If sentiment flips hard and pro-crypto policies are introduced, we could see a 40 to 50% surge. That puts targets all the way up at 140 to 150K. On top of that, Michael Saylor is back in the headlines, hinting at another Bitcoin buy from MicroStrategy. And we all know what happens when he starts stacking sats. FOMO kicks in across institutions. Buckle up. This week could be an ignition point. I'll be back with another detailed update tomorrow. Join the free Discord for real-time trade ideas and market thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.